बढ़िया बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन में अगर मैं आपको दे दूं इन दोनों की स्ट्रैटेजीज के ऊपर, ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू इंट्रोडक्शन टू देयर स्ट्रैटेजीज. So, of course, this is a very important clip, but this is Donald Trump. Donald Trump has been champion in terms of debate because he doesn't play by the rules. वो रूल्स के साथ नहीं खेलते. जो रूल्स सेटअप होते हैं डिबेट के, जो एक दूसरे के ऊपर फॉर्मल सिचुएशन होती है जहां एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट रखनी होती है एज अ प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंडिडेट, ये आदमी कुछ नहीं रखता है. दिस गाय हैज नो फिल्टर. And there is a formula behind it. It's not just that he comes and he does stand-up set. No, he actually has a formula. And I actually studied his formula. His formula is very important, very interesting for a people or for like delegates who are, say for example, representing countries which are, very left or right wing, extremist countries जो होते हैं ना, वैसे कोई कंट्रीज का डेलीगेट हो तो आप इनकी फॉर्मूला बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो कर सकते हो. His formula is attack, deflect and deny. मतलब कि अगर मान लो कि तुमने कोई भी एलिगेशन डोनाल्ड ट्रंप भाई साहब के ऊपर डाला, वो पहले आपको काउंटर अटैक करेगा, ठीक है, आपको पहले बोलेगा कि आप ये है वो है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. फिर वो पूरे टॉपिक से डिफ्लेक्ट कर देगा कि कैसे दूसरे लोग उसकी प्रशंसा करते हैं, दूसरे लोग मानते हैं कि ये वो है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. एंड फिर वो डिनाई कर देगा जब तक आप क्या क्वेश्चन था वही भूल गए होंगे. दैट इज हिज वे ऑफ डिबेटिंग. अप अंटिल नाउ इट हैज वर्कड रियली वेल. क्योंकि होता क्या है, जब तुम अपने सामने वाले ओपोनेंट को अटैक करते हो, सामने वाला ओपोनेंट हिल जाता है, ही गेट्स डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. एक सेकंड, यहाँ पे भाई लाइट का प्रॉब्लम ना हो जाए. इफ लाइट का प्रॉब्लम होगा तो लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद हो जाएगा. तो ठीक है. सो ही गेट्स डिस्ट्रैक्टेड कि भाई मुझ पे अटैक कर दिया, मुझे इसका जवाब देना है. फिर वो डिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है. तो डिफ्लेक्ट के कारण वो जो लिखने वाला होता है या फिर जो ओपोनेंट होता है वो भी भूल जाता है कि उसको डिफेंड किस चीज पे करना है. तो वो डिफ्लेक्टेड जगह पे जहां पे होता है वहां पे उसको अटैक करने की कोशिश, और फिर वो डिनाई कर देता है जब तक वो आदमी जो ओपोनेंट होता है वो भूल जाता है कि उसे क्या कहना था. अप अंटिल नाउ इट हैज वर्कड रियली वेल फॉर, बट व्हाई इट डिडंट वर्क फॉर दिस वन, विल सी दैट. ठीक है, सबसे पहले जैसे ही शुरुआत होती है डिबेट की, आप ये चीज ऑब्जर्व कीजिए.
Kamala Harris. Is that good bait? Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that. You guys can see Trump has always been master of handshake. उसको उसी के गेम में हरा दिया भाई. Overturn. Crazy. Crazy. But I mean, like, many people have done analysis on it. It is not something major. यहाँ पे Trump debate हारा नहीं है. But this is the way that Kamala was signaling that she is very well prepared. तो कमला के लिए अच्छी बात है. डिबेट के रिलेटेड नहीं था जितना लोगों ने इस एनालिसिस को ज्यादा बनाया है, इतना भी अच्छा नहीं था ये. बट यस, she was calm and confident, which is very important.
It's wonderful to have you. It's an honor to have you both here tonight.
Good evening. We are looking forward to a spirited and thoughtful debate.
So let's get started. I want to begin tonight with the issue that voters repeatedly say is their number one issue, and that is the economy and the cost of living in this country. Vice President Harris, you and President Trump were...
सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है इकोनॉमी के ऊपर. ठीक है भाई, इकोनॉमी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बिकॉज आज के दिन अमेरिकन इकोनॉमी कुछ ज्यादा ही सफर कर रही है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे ट्रम्प के ऊपर या फिर ट्रम्प की साइड पलड़ा भारी है, ये समझ लीजिएगा. फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्कशन इज कंसर्न, ट्रम्प की साइड ये पलड़ा भारी है, और कमला जो करंट गवर्नमेंट की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, शी इज द वन हु हैज टू डिफेंड. Now we'll look at what she does.
Years ago, and your opponent on the stage here tonight often asks his supporters, "Are you better off than you were 4 years ago?" When it comes to the economy, do you believe Americans are better off than they were 4 years ago?
So I was raised as a middle class kid, and I am actually the only person on this stage who has a plan that is about lifting up the middle class and working people of America. I believe in the ambition, the aspirations, the dreams of the American people. And that is why I imagine and have actually a plan to build what I call an opportunity economy. Because here's the thing. We know that we have a shortage of homes and housing, and the cost of housing is too expensive for far too many people. We know that young families need support to raise their children, and I intend on extending a tax cut for those families of $6,000, which is the largest child tax credit that we have given in a long time.
यहाँ पे अभी मैं स्टॉप करता हूँ क्योंकि इसके बाहर का स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल, लेकिन आप ये समझ लीजिए, अगर ये किसी भी डिबेटर ने एमयूएन में या फिर किसी भी चीज में किया होगा ना, जज विल डेफिनेटली लाफ, बिकॉज शी यूज्ड द क्लासिक स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन विद पॉपुलिज्म इन इट्स टच. पॉपुलिज्म क्या होता है कि जब तुम एलीट के अगेंस्ट जाते हो ये बोलते हुए कि मैं तो मिडिल क्लास हूं, मैं आपकी जैसी ही हूं, ऐसा करके उसने आंसर जो है उसको डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया. इकोनॉमी की बात नहीं कर रही है अभी, शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कनेक्शन बिटवीन देयर एंड द ऑडियंस. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. अभी ये तो बेसिक ऑब्जर्वेशन है, लेकिन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे टू डिफ्लेक्ट. She's using the deflecting
so that those
strategy
young
here.
families can afford to buy a crib, buy a car seat, buy clothes for their children.
Also, she pointed out कि कैसे 6,000 रुपए $6,000 जो है वो लोगों को देगी, प्लस यूजिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स लाइक क्रिब, हुड, वो सारी चीजें जो है शी इज टारगेटिंग दोस पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी विच शी रिप्रेजेंट.
My passion, one of them, is small businesses. I was actually, my mother raised my sister and me, but there was a woman who helped raise
इमोशनल स्टोरी वर्क्स अ लॉट. लाइक हम सबको दिख रहा है कि इमोशन यूज कर रही है, बट दिस एक्चुअली वर्क्स अमंग वुमेन.
us. We call her our second mother. She was a small business owner. I love our small businesses. My plan is to give a $50,000 tax deduction to start up small businesses,
My plan continuously चल रहा है. This is something that you will see in this whole
knowing
debate.
they are part of the backbone of America's economy. My opponent, on the other hand, his plan is to do what he has done before, which
डिफ्लेक्ट के बाद
is
अटैक
to provide a tax
क्रेजी.
cut for billionaires and big corporations, which will result in $5 trillion to America's deficit. My opponent has a plan that I call the Trump sales tax, which would be a 20% tax on everyday goods that you rely on to get.
दिस वाज स्पेसिफिकली डन. ट्रम्प सेल्स टैक्स जो उसने बोला वो स्पेसिफिकली कोट करना चाहती है, बिकॉज अगर आपने मतलब इफ यू आई कंपेयर पॉलिटिक्स अ लॉट विथ बीफ, राइट, विथ रैप बीफ, क्योंकि उसके अंदर भी ऐसा ही होता है. कोई कोटेबल चीज बोल देंगे, तेरा भाई सीधे मौत जो है उसको डाइवर्ट करके कुछ और बोल देंगे. इससे क्या होता है कि वो जब भी कोई कमेंट करेगा ना तो उसके नीचे बस वही आता रहेगा, ट्रम्प सेल्स टैक्स, ट्रम्प सेल्स टैक्स. ऑल्सो ये हुआ नहीं है, बट दैट वाज द प्लान हियर, राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो समथिंग यू शुड डू कि अगर मान लो कि तुम लोकसभा के इम्यून में हो, तो यू कैन स्पीक समथिंग योर स्पीच विच कैन बी अ नारा, which is something that everybody in your party can speak. That is what will make you a great debater. Name something about what you are talking about the particular person. Hypocrisy है तो hypocrisy जैसे मान लो तुम पॉइंट आउट करना चाहते हो तो हमारे ओपोनेंट की, उसको कुछ नारा बना दो और फिर बोल दो. वेरी
Get
क्लासिक स्ट्रेटेजी.
through the month. Economists have said it actually result for middle class families in about $4,000 more a year because of his policies and his ideas about what should be the backs of middle class people paying for tax cuts for billionaires.
President Trump, I'll give you 2 minutes.
Yes, that is where her answer stops. इसके आंसर में एक चीज तुम पता चल जाएगी, she is talking about future. She is talking about what she is going to do. एक आदमी जो कि खुद अभी गवर्नमेंट का पार्ट है, वो फ्यूचर की बातें कर रहा है. Look at how Trump
First
will
of all, I have
fail.
no sales tax. That's an incorrect statement. She knows that. We're doing tariffs on other countries. Other countries are going to finally, after 75 years, pay us back for all that we've done for the world. And the tariff will be substantial in some cases. I took in billions and billions of dollars, as you know, from China. In fact, they never took the tariff off because there was so much money they can't. It would totally destroy everything that they've set out to do. They're taking in billions of dollars from China and other places they've left the tariffs on. When I have
This is classic. He always bees like कि उसने चाइना को मतलब ऐसा फंसा दिया है, उसने चाइना को मैनिपुलेट करके फंसा दिया है और अब चाइना कुछ नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज वो डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प है.
I had
ये
tariffs and yet
क्लासिक
I
है
had no
उसका.
inflation. Look, we've had a
बट इट इज एक्चुअली गुड पावर मूव इफ यू सी. लाइक तुम ऐसा ही प्रूव कर दो कि तुम्हारा ओपोनेंट जो है वो तुम्हारे पूरे कब्जे में है.
terrible
People will
economy
love you. I
because
think.
inflation has, which is really known as a country buster. It breaks up countries. We have inflation like very few people have ever seen before, probably the worst in our nation's history.
Fact as well as an attack.
We were at 21%, but that's being generous because many things are 50, 60, 70, and 80% higher than they were just a few years ago. This has been a disaster for people, for the middle class, but for every class. On top of that, we have millions of people pouring into our country from prisons and jails, from mental institutions and insane asylums, and they're coming in and they're taking jobs that are occupied
Deflect. Attack कर दिया, अब वो
right now by
deflect कर रहा है.
African Americans and Hispanics, and also unions. Unions are
Proper attack on the community. This is something that he does a lot. क्योंकि उसका जो बेस ऑडियंस है वो उसी से आया हुआ है. He is like the guy who speaks about Americans and hates immigrants. That is what has built his base audience. Again, I will tell you why this is not
going
a
to be
good
affected
strategy
very
for
soon.
this.
And you see what's happening. You see what's happening with towns throughout the United States. You look at Springfield, Ohio. You look at Aurora in Colorado. They are taking over the town.
We are going to get to immigration and border security during this debate, but I would like to let Vice
जैसे होस्ट बोलता है कि इमिग्रेशन और बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे, इससे ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर था ही नहीं, इसने क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया ही नहीं. पहले तो उसने डिनाई कर दिया, फिर उसने अटैक किया और फिर उसको डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया कि खत्म कर दिया. He didn't answer the question
Vice
at
President
all.
Harris respond on the economy here.
Well, I would love to. Let's talk about what Donald Trump left us. Donald Trump left us the worst unemployment since the Great Depression. Donald Trump left us the worst public demand. What we have done and what I intend to do is build on what we know are the aspirations and the clean up Donald Trump's
See,
mess
exactly.
on
This
our
is the point.
democracy
What we have done and what I intend
since
to do.
the Civil War. And what we have done is clean up Donald Trump's mess. What we have done and what I intend to do is build on what we know are the aspirations and the hopes of the American people. But I'm going to tell you all in this debate tonight, you're going to hear from the same old tired playbook, a bunch of lies, grievances, and name calling. What you're going to
Exactly. She is very well prepared. She knows what he is going to do. That is something that will make him win. For other people who are here, you guys can chat in between. ठीक है, मैं अक्सर पॉज कर रहा हूँ तो मैं आप लोगों की बात सुन रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके पास कोई अच्छा
Here
पॉइंट है तो
tonight
जरूर बताना.
is a detailed and dangerous plan called Project 2025 that the former president intends on implementing if he were elected again. I believe very strongly that the American people want a president who understands the importance of bringing us together, knowing we have so much more in common than what separates us. And I pledge to you to be a president for all Americans.
President Trump will give you a minute to respond.
Number one, I have nothing to do, as you know, and as she knows better than anyone, I have nothing to do with Project 2025. That's out there. I haven't read it. I don't want to read it purposely. I'm not going to read it. This was a group of people that got together. They came up with some ideas. I guess some good, some bad, but it makes no difference. I have nothing to do. Everybody.
By the way, Project 25 is attack from Kamala Harris side. I have not heard about any, or I have not read about any Project 25 where Trump wants to. Trump has readily denied कि वो नहीं करने वाला है, but ठीक है, चलो.
Everybody knows what I'm going to do. Cut taxes very substantially and create a great economy like I did before. We had the greatest, and they give me credit for.
16 Nobel laureates have described is that Donald Trump have reviewed our relative plans for the future of America. What Goldman Sachs has said is that Donald's plan
Goods coming into this country. As you know, many economists say that at least is what she called.
We'll try and lower tax.
The vice president brought up your tariffs. You responded, and let's drill down on this because your plan is what she calls is essentially a national sales tax. Your proposal calls for tariffs, as you pointed out here, on foreign imports across the board. They've
been ripping us off for years. I period of time, people can't go.
He ended up selling American chips to China for what he.
This is just getting into depth of the financial question. That is why I'm skipping the part.
To kill Roe v. Wade.
Immigration.
Trump. Thank you, Lindsay.
I want to turn to the issue of abortion. President Trump, you've often touted.
Yes, very important. Abortion. ठीक है. This is something that could shift, that has shifted the debate as a whole. ठीक है. Let's observe this
Were able
question.
to kill Roe v. Wade.
भाई एक मैं सिर्फ आपको लोगों को बता दूं for the basic introduction of what the abortion thing is. ठीक है. Abortion जो है एक तरीके से for a sensible way is something that should not happen. But hear me out. But there is also one thing that is simple, is that women should have a choice to do what they want. Because a man cannot, and therefore he has no right to speak on it. This is something that I believe about it. And this is something that everybody knows. ठीक है, ये एक fact है जो सब लोग मान चुके हैं कि men should not speak about it. Whether it is right or wrong, it is something upon a women to decide. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे factions जो है वो divide हो जाते हैं.
Last year you said that you were proud to be the most pro-life president in American history.
Exactly, Saif. Trump isn't talking about the future because I feel he was not that prepared for this debate. I think he just, like, say for example, he and his team were overconfident that Trump is good at debating, therefore he can easily win. And to be very honest, he could have easily win because Kamala Harris is not good of a speaker as far as I've heard of her. ठीक है, she is not that good of a speaker. अब मान लो कि भाई ओबामा और ट्रम्प का डिबेट हो जाए, Obama will clean easily. Because we know he's a good speaker. We know he knows what he's saying. But that is something that is not common with Kamala. Kamala does not know what she's saying. And that is why over Trump as well as his team probably were overconfident about it. That's why he has no plan. And he actually does not have plan for futures. Why? He just do what he used to do. He just run it like business. He run the whole America like business. And since a man can't make one, he has no right to tell a woman when and where to create one. Yes, I agree. I agree to that. That is my exact statement that I was pointing out to
Your
Shivan.
administration would be great for women and their reproductive rights. In your home state of Florida, you surprised many with regard to your 6-week abortion ban because you initially had said that it was too short. And you said, quote, I'm going to be voting that we need more than 6 weeks. But then the very next day, you reversed course and said you would vote to support the 6-week ban. Vice President Harris says that women shouldn't trust you on the issue of abortion because you've changed your position so many times.
So here's what. Trump is playing politics with the abortion issue. Wherever he feels that his cadre could be better, that is where he leans to. He has no opinion, just like no man has opinion on abortion, to be very honest. Right? And that is something where Kamala, being a woman, can capture, which is what Biden was not able to because he's a man. That is why Kamala will be able to capture. You will see that in her
Therefore,
answer.
why should they trust
Well,
you?
the reason I'm doing that vote is because the plan is, as you know, the vote is they have abortion in the 9th month. They even have, and you can look at the governor of West Virginia, the previous governor of West
Attack.
Virginia, not the current governor, is doing an excellent job, but the governor before, he said the baby will be born and we will decide what to do with
Deflect.
the baby. In other words, we'll execute the baby. And that's why I did that, because that predominates, because they're radical. The Democrats are radical in that. And her vice presidential
Deflect,
pick, which I
attack
think was a
again.
horrible pick, by the way, for our country.
Deflect, proper
But she is
deflect,
really
like
out of it.
crazy.
But her vice presidential pick says abortion in the 9th month is absolutely fine. He also says execution after birth. It's execution.
This is attack, and she is getting affected by this, and that is what happens with most of the people that is debate with Trumps. कि जिस तरह से वो अटैक करता है सामने वाला बौखला जाता है, but
No
then
longer
she'll
abortion
change.
because the baby is born is okay. And that's not okay with me, hence the vote. But what I did is something for 52 years. They've been trying to get Roe v. Wade.
This is where she kind of stopped listening to her, and that is what will help her
into
recover.
the states. And through the genius and heart and strength of
Now she's back. She's back on the agenda now. She will make sense of what he's saying. She knows कि अब ये जो बोल रहा है वो डिफ्लेक्ट हो चुका है, और अब जिस तरह से वो देख रही है ना उसके सामने, ये दिख रहा है कि she is looking at how this guy doesn't make sense at all. Hello Sahil bhai. For all of you who guys want to make reels or anything or want some editor, check out Sahil bhai. A shout out to him.
6
He's my bro.
Supreme Court justices, we were able to do that. Now, I believe in the exceptions for rape, incest, and life of the mother. I believe strongly in it. Ronald Reagan did also. 85% of Republicans do exceptions. Very important. But we were able to get it, and now states are voting on it. And for the first time, you're going to see, look, this is an issue that's torn our country apart for 52 years. Every legal scholar, every Democrat, every Republican, liberal, conservative, they all wanted this issue to be brought back to the states where the people could vote. And that's what happened. Now, Ohio, the vote was somewhat liberal. Kansas, the vote was somewhat liberal, much more liberal than people would have thought.
इतना ज्यादा टाइम ले ली ना इसके आंसर करने में, she was easily able to recover. She was easily able to get back to the agenda, and now
But each
you will see
took the
her
courage
answer.
to do it.
In this country where it is legal to kill a baby after it's born. Madam Vice President, I want to get your response to President Trump.
Well, as I said, you're going to hear a bunch of lies.
And this type of summary, that is something that a host should not do, I personally feel, because it shows the biasness. She will never summarize or ignore the rhetorics of the other party whom she is personally biased or he is personally biased to, but she will or he will definitely summarize towards whom she knows that this guy is playing manipulation. That is something that a host should not do, and therefore some points की जहाँ पे लोग कहते हैं कि host bias था, खराब डिबेट था वगैरह वगैरह, some make sense. But generally हारने वाली पार्टी अक्सर ये बोलती रहती है, यहाँ पे वो केस ज्यादातर
And that's
मुझे
not
नहीं
actually
दिखाई
a surprising fact. Let's understand how we got here. Donald Trump hand-selected 3 members of the United States Supreme Court with the intention that they would undo the protections of Roe v. Wade. And they did exactly as he intended. And now in over 20 states, there are Trump abortion bans, which make it criminal for a doctor or nurse to provide health care. In one state, it provides prison for life. Trump abortion bans that make no exception even for rape and incest, which understand what that means. A survivor of a crime, a violation to their body, does not have the right to make a decision about what happens to their body next. That is immoral. And one does not have to abandon their faith or deeply held beliefs to agree. The government, and Donald Trump certainly, should not be telling a woman what to do with her body. I have talked with women around our
Exactly. This is where she won. This is where she won. जैसे ही वो ये बोल देती ना भाई जीत गई वो, उसने इमोशन को ला दिया एंड उसने अपने आप को एकदम शी represented those people. एंड इसके बाद बाय द वे क्या हुआ, टेलर स्विफ्ट पोस्टेड आउट एंड एंडोर्स कमला हैरिस ओपनली, एंड दैट इज अ बिग चेंज इफ अमेरिका इज कंसर्न. ठीक है, इट इज समथिंग बिग इफ अमेरिका इज कंसर्न. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक हनी सिंह सेइंग कि भाई मोदी जी जिंदाबाद, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. I mean, it is hard for us to imagine in our scenario specifically, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ इतना मैटर नहीं करता है ये सारी चीज़ें. But probably imagine Shahrukh Khan saying that, probably imagine Salman Khan saying that. That could shift a lot of stuff, right? But yeah, that is the level of comfort that female felt about this particular or after this particular statement. They felt like कि यहाँ पे इन दोनों को ही कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमारा वुमेन का रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो एक ही आदमी कर सकता है, एंड यहाँ पे वोट शिफ्ट हुआ है.
country. You want to talk